I thought I'd shoot a live action video today. We're standing in James and I's kitchen. We've been in this house for about 5 years and we've wanted to do something with the kitchen. And so I thought I'd talk a little bit about what we plan to do and the steps that we're taking. As you can see, this was not approved by James, but I did paint these cabinets a couple years ago and they are chipping. So obviously that doesn't look good. That was a project that I definitely should have waited on. So we are going to be replacing the cabinet. We're going to be adding an island, taking this wall out and adding an island. And the things that we've done so far on this journey is we've gotten quotes from 3 different GCs. And I think that's a really important point. When you're considering home renovation, you really want to make sure that you're getting at least 3 quotes on the job. We've gotten 3 quotes and they're all really, really different. We actually had to make a spreadsheet because some of the quotes that we've gotten, they include the materials, some don't include the materials. And so that's a really good thing to break down that cost and see what is included within the cost of the GC. So through this journey, we're going to be bringing you guys along with it, highlighting some of the mistakes that we've already made. Obviously, we've talked in previous videos about doing things that would bring your value up and doing them the correct way. So that's really important when you're doing a renovation. But what has really encouraged us to do this kitchen remodel is a place in our neighborhood, the exact same layout. It just sold for way over asking price and they had completely redone the kitchen, and it does really add a lot of value. The return on your investment is really strong. Plus you get to enjoy a really pretty kitchen while you're living in the space. So check back soon and I will be posting updates on our kitchen remodel.